Hi friends, I'm Kitty. Welcome back to Kitty Cat Kids for Christ. Today, St. John Paul II is going to join us again to teach us Part 3 of the Catholic alphabet. Welcome back, St. John Paul II. Thanks, Kitty. I'm so excited to go through the Catholic alphabet some more. Awesome! Let's go!
Let's review the letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job, everyone! Today, we are going to learn 7 more letters of the alphabet. N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T. Our first letter today is N. Let's see what Catholic word starts with N. Nimbus. A nimbus is the circle or disk of light around the head of a saint. Our next letter is O. Let's see what Catholic word starts with O. Organ. An organ is an instrument commonly used during Mass for liturgical music. Our next letter is P. Let's see what Catholic word starts with P. Priest. A priest is a man that has received the sacrament of holy orders, offers the sacrifice of the Mass, and acts as a spiritual shepherd to his community. It's great to pray for your priest every day. Our next letter is Q. Let's see what Catholic word starts with Q. Queen of Heaven. Mary, the mother of Jesus, has been given the title Queen of Heaven because her Son is the King of the universe. Our next letter is R. What Catholic word starts with R? Reredos. A carved or painted ornamental screen covering the wall behind the altar. Our next letter is S. Let's see what Catholic word starts with S. Stained glass windows. Stained glass windows are colored glass used to depict religious scenes and figures. Our last letter for today is T. Let's see what Catholic word starts with T. Tabernacle. The tabernacle is a special receptacle made of metal, stone, or wood where the Blessed Sacrament is kept.
Well, friends, let's go ahead and learn our daily Bible verse. Sounds good to me. Today's verse is Luke chapter 8, verse 11. The seed is the word of God. Thank you so much for joining us today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. May God bless you and have a great day.